Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video we have 2013 Subaru Forester, and in this video I'd like to show you how to take off your front driver's side door panel in this car in order to get to your locks, to get to your window regulator, to get to your speaker and stuff, and the glass. If you need to take it out, well, you will have to take the panel off. So let's get into this. It's gonna be simple, quick tutorial. So first thing, what kind of tools we're gonna need? Most likely you will need something like this. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and a regular flathead screwdriver. Let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid right here. Okay, there's a lid and there's a screw behind it. Take out the screw. Second thing, we need to take our screwdriver and try not to scratch anything. You just use it as a leverage. Put it in and pull to yourself. This right here, the handle, just like this, and remove this plastic piece. Behind this plastic piece you have another two screws, over there and over there. And now we have to remove 1, 2, 3 screws. So let's take our flathead Phillips screwdriver and remove these screws. Alright, so I got my screws out. Next step. Right now the door is being held, the panel is being held to the door by clips. They are all around the perimeter. So what we have to do, in this case you're most likely gonna break some clips, but you know, you have to just live with it. Otherwise, most likely you don't have special tools to take off the panel. That's why we're gonna use our hands, and we're gonna break clips, and we're gonna live with it. Yeah, so we'll find some place to pull, for example like here, and just slightly pull on it. I'll put you guys here. I need two hands. Take two hands and up. Just to, you know, don't force it too much, but enough to unclick the clip. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now we have our clips off. Then you just slide it to yourself, the door, pull it to yourself and slide up. Here we go. Very simple. Good. Next step, we need to disconnect everything that's connected to the door. How do we do this? This right here, we just pull right here and raise up and take the link out. Same thing here, pull it and raise up. That's it. This is done. The light on the bottom was being held by a regular connector. Just remove the connector, and same thing with these three connectors. Remove them. Okay, so I got the door out. Here, the panel is off, and here we go. Here's whatever you need. You need to get to the speaker, it's right here. If you need to get to window regulator, I believe you just have to take this what is this, plastic off and get to wherever you need to get to. Okay, so guys, yeah, as you can see, it's very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. So let's get everything back together and be done with it. How do we put it back? Same thing, just take the panel. Oh, right now, one more important thing. When we remove the clips, most likely some of clips will stay in place in the door. Okay, so in this case, like this one, for example, you see this one is broken. It still will function fine, but it's a little broken. What you're gonna do? You remove them from here and put them back in here. Okay, see, you just remove it from there, put it back in, and then you're just gonna click the panel back on the door. So I'm gonna remove this clip right now. That's why I said you're gonna use something like this, because most likely you're not gonna have the special tool to remove the clips. If you do use it, but you can just get it out somehow like this. Just wiggle it out. Okay, yeah, I need two hands to do this, so I'm gonna take it out. Once it's out, just find where it was supposed to be. I guess it was supposed to be right here, I think. And just put it back in. Okay, and now when we're done, we're gonna put the panel, click the panel back on the door. So connect the connector, connect these three connectors, and the links to the handle. So this one's the top one. How you do it? You just put it in, and click it in. Good. That's it. Now to put the panel back on, the best way is to put the top first. Align the top. Good. Then find a clip like this. As you can see, clip. Align it with the hole and smack on it. That's it. And do it all around the perimeter. Good. Once you're done, just take the screws you took out from here and here and here, put the screws back in, put the caps on, and you're all set. As you can see, very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. If this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.